Are you interested in buying a home $51,000 off the price of the home? Well, stick around and let me tell you all about it. We're in Litchfield Park, Arizona. The subdivision is called Ranches, and our builder is Pulte Homes. Right behind me, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a loft, 2.5 car garage, over 2,000 square feet. Again, $51,000 off the price of the home. You can have it. Ranches, Litchfield Park, Arizona. Pulte is the home builder, and of course me, Mary Kay Marino. I would be honored to work for you as a realtor. So let's not waste any more of your time. Let's go show you the home. Remember, leave me a comment below. And now let's go. And here we are standing in front of the Camelia. And just as a reminder, just like I said earlier, 2,059 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a 2.5 car garage, including a loft upstairs. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and take you on this house. After all, you know what it says? It says, come on in. So let's go ahead and mosey on in. Okay, standing right here in front of the front door. Very, very, very nice. And look all the way up here. I want to show you. Isn't that pretty cool? Just to the left, this is going to be your coat closet. Nice window off to the side of the house. We're going to take a few steps up. We're going to turn to the left. Here's going to be your guest half bath right there. Backing up a little bit more. And now this is going to take us into the main part of the house, the living room, the dining, the kitchen. This is pretty cool in here. Take a look and enjoy. Alrighty, so let's bring you in a little bit closer to the kitchen, even though we already are in the kitchen. Look at that nice island. It will comfortably seat 4. Nice thing about this one and this layout and this floor plan is you have a kitchen sink that's going to look out a window. And many of my clients are asking that. Mary Kay, I would prefer to look outside than to look into the house. And there you go. It's not going to look into the backyard. It's going to look off to the side of the house. But anyway, they are showing with electric stove top, oven, and a microwave right above. And I'll turn around, give you another glance at that island right here. And then look at all that counter space. Is that beautiful or what? And I forgot to mention to you, if you're interested, I have a new home guide, the do's and don'ts of to do when you're buying a brand new house. If you'd like to know and have that guide, all you have to do is text the number on the screen and we'll send it off to you right away. Getting back to the house right here. How about this nice kitchen? And remember, the home I'm talking about, same floor plan, just different upgrades. So this is the model home, and the home that you will be interested in to have that savings will have a variety of different upgrades in the house. And as I said, it's over $51,000 off the price of the house that you get to save on this home. So I want to show you something right over here. This is the pantry. Nice pantry, isn't it? But guess what? You get partly a Harry Potter closet. If you open the door this way and then turn around here, they have electronics in it, but you have a little storage area back here, which is fantastic. In my opinion, you can never have enough storage. So coming back out of the pantry, and this is the look for the kitchen. Turning to the left, this is the garage door entrance. This is your drop-off area as well. So I'm going to give you another look of this. I'm going to stand in front of the garage door. So as you're coming in from the garage, this is what you're going to see. Pretty darn nice. You got a nice glass slider door out there. And then you have a huge glass window out there to the backyard. And then look at that family room area. It's very large. And then you have a lot of nice places to put knickknacks and whatever decorative items you want in the home. Very, very nice floor plan here. And again, it's 2,059 square feet. But wait till you see what it's like upstairs. In fact, how about we go upstairs? This is the stairway up. I'll meet you up there. Alrighty, so this is almost upstairs. This is your loft right here, or part of it right here. You have a nice window to the side of the house. And then I'm going to step up and turn around. You have a little more space right here. Pretty nice up here, actually. Not bad at all. Then if we walk past the loft, it's going to bring us into the primary bedroom. And this is a very, very nice size room. Huge window out to the backyard. Walking past this brings us right into the primary bathroom. Nice space in between the sinks. And then look at the nice window you have there too. A lot of natural light coming in here. And then they're showing it with a super shower and a bench. And of course, another nice window above. And then walking around the corner, here is your water closet and then into your clothes closet. Very nice. You have two sets of upper and lower rods. This is actually pretty nice. And then over in the corner here, that's most likely going to be where you want to put some of your linens because I did not see a dedicated linen closet. Let me show it to you. You have a lot of places here and space here to put linens, shoes, purse, whatever you need on there. So as we come out of the closet here, right there, hello, I gotta say hello to you. I hope you're having a wonderful, marvelous day. And I hope you give me a call so I can help you with your home buying purchase here in Arizona. But isn't that vanity nice? I like the window there in between it. Do you like the window? I think the reason I like it so much is because I love a lot of natural light coming into the home. Another look at the shower. Then as we exit, give you another look of this very large primary bedroom. And then exiting out of here, show you, there's the loft. It's not bad. We have definitely seen larger and most certainly have seen bigger. Sometimes a builder calls it a loft and I think, okay, that looks more like a landing area and no loft. But this is a nice size loft, not bad at all. Walking past the loft, it's going to be where the guest bedrooms are. Coming all the way to the end, this is guest bedroom number 1 and all bedrooms are upstairs. Nice size bedroom. And look what it says. Hello. Hello. Slider door closet. I couldn't resist. And then backing out to the left of that is guest bedroom number 2. And again, a very nice size bedroom. Both of the windows in these bedrooms here are out to the front of the house. Front yard, front house. Slider door closets, as you can see. And then backing out, and right next to that is going to be your shared bathroom. Double sinks, which for me is a huge plus. And they're showing it with a tub and shower combination. And then backing out and directly across is going to be your favorite room. Ta-da! No, thank you. They're showing it with cabinets above and below, and also a very nice large window, so you don't get so sad and depressed doing your not so favorite thing. And then backing out of that brings us right to the loft area again. So what do you think of this one? All bedrooms are upstairs. The loft obviously is upstairs. And as a reminder, your savings of this one is over $51,000 off the price of the house. So make sure you reach out to us so that we can give you all the details on it. And maybe you might want actually a different type of home out here. Allen Ranches, Litchfield Park. So here's the stairway down. Let's mosey on down and I'll meet you downstairs. Alrighty, so this is like almost downstairs. I'm gonna walk you down the last 5 steps here. Give you another look and another angle into this nice large family room area. And it is large. And you know what's really nice? I know I've said this so many times already. You have so much natural light coming into this home. absolutely love it. Let me know down in the comments what you think. And don't forget, if you want that new build guide, the do's and don'ts of buying a new build, all you have to do is text me new to the number on the screen. Pretty darn nice, don't you think? Alrighty, here's FYI for you, the home buyer. Anytime and every time you go into a new build, always remember to bring your realtor. In fact, always remember to bring us. Why? Because the person inside, as nice and sweet as they are, and they're definitely going to be nice and sweet to you, who do you think they work for? They definitely don't work for you. They work for the seller and the builder. And when you're buying your largest and biggest asset you ever buy in your lifetime, don't you want to make sure it turns out exactly the way you want it to? Of course you do. You want to make sure that you have representation and protection only for you, not for you and the seller. And that's called exclusive representation, and we'd be honored to work for you on that behalf. So very important here. Don't go inside and register. Don't go online and register, because once you do that, you lose the opportunity to have somebody watching your back from beginning and to end and everything in between. So make sure you reach out to us. Call, text, or email us. What are you waiting for? We're waiting. Alrighty now, so let me give you a recap on this wonderful home. It is called a Camelia. It is 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a loft, 2.5 car garage, which is fantastic in my opinion, 2,059 square feet. And remember, it is discounted over $51,000. It started at the price of $481,294, discounted all the way down to $429,491. And again, we are in Allen Ranches, Litchfield Park, Arizona, and Pulte is your home builder. The HOA out here is $105 a month. And what exactly do you get? Well, I have to look at my cheat sheet so I can give you all the information. You do get a pool. Actually, it's a very nice large pool, basketball courts, barbecue areas. You get a playground, cornhole, grassy parks for both your 2-legged and 4-legged kids, and of course walking trails throughout the whole community. And remember, if you want to save a whole lot of money and you're interested in this house, all you have to do is reach out to us. Call, text, or email. We would be honored to help you and work for you. And in case you don't know who I am, or maybe you forgot who I am, my name is Mary K. Marino, and welcome to Hello Arizona Living and Real Estate. We get calls, texts, emails almost every single day from people just like you looking to make a move to Arizona, and we absolutely love it. So whether you live in state, out of state, or even out of the country, that's perfectly fine with us, because after all, we're here to help serve and support you at the highest level possible. And as far as your time frame, days, minutes, weeks, or even years, that's okay, because we want to make sure your transition and your transaction is smooth and enjoyable all the way across that finish line, the home ownership here in Arizona. So like I say, don't be bashful, don't be shy. Call me, text me, email me, or even send up smoke signals. I'm here to be happy and helpful to work for you. So until I see you around town next time, show you around town next time. Have a marvelous, awesome, incredible day. Bye for now, and I'll see you next time.